Water is so good. Mission Control helps us to visualize all the windows that we have opened, and it can get messy if we have a lot of them. And here is App Exposure comes in. It shows us only the windows of the Sun application. We can hard-click on the icon to show them, and if we just want to switch, we can use the shortcut Command plus tilde. When there is a web app that we use very often, we want to have it in the dock, and now it's easier than ever to install those web apps. All you have to do is to click on the share icon and then add to dock. Now you can open it in a standalone window. When you want to change something, you delete to right. But what if you want to delete to left? We have two ways to do it. The first one is if you want to use both of your hands, you can press the function key and the delete key. Otherwise, you can use only one hand where you press the Ctrl key and then the D key. One thing that I miss from the mouse is the middle click, which allows me to quickly open and close tabs. Fortunately, we have an open source project that you can install from GitHub, which allows you to do it with the trackpad. Do you know that if you pause a video, you can select the text inside the image? Unfortunately, it only works inside Safari, but don't worry, there is a free solution. It's called Shutter. It comes with text recognition that you can use to copy text from anywhere. With Spotlight on Raycast, we can access to currency conversions or basic math calculation easily. Raycast is a productivity app that contains several features that we can find in several apps. With Sticky Note, you don't have to switch windows. You can open it on top of what you were researching and just start taking notes. Then we have Window Management, where you can assign shortcuts and resize the window as you want. If there's any text that you use a lot, you can use Snippet. Here, for example, I have a snippet, a piece of text to speed up a video. The text that you have saved doesn't need to come from Snippet. If you copy some text in the past, you can access your Clipboard History. In the configuration, you can set how many days after you want it to disappear. The real power comes from the store, where the community can create any type of integration, so you have extension that allows you to access almost any known application, and you can run ChatGPT with just one command. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please give it a like and share with your friend so it can help more people. And thank you for watching until the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one.